If you're a business that offers set number of sessions or classes for your customers on a recurring basis or on a one-time basis, we have a construct called plans. In this video, we will look at how to set up plans and how you can allow your customers to purchase those plans from your business. In order to access plans, navigate to plans menu option under catalog. Here you can see the list of plans that's already in your account. In this instance, I don't have any plans. I can create a new plan by clicking on add plan. I'm just going to give it a name for the plan. And I'm also going to give a description. And this description is something that your users will see on the checkout link. And you can assign a default staff for this plan. This is the staff that will be invoiced under. You have two different charge modes under billing details. If you're a business that would like to capture card information of your customer and charge them on a recurring basis, Safeguard and Auto Charge is the option for you. If you would like to send invoices on a monthly basis or on a recurring basis and not capture the card information, then Invoice and Send Payment Link is the option for you. For this demo purpose, I'm going to click on Safeguard and Auto Charge. And you have the billing type where you have two options. Either you can select recurring if your plan is recurring, or if it's just a one-time purchase, then you can set it up as one-time purchase as well. I'm going to make it recurring. Once I select recurring, I have few other options as well. This is where I can choose the billing cycle for this recurring plan, whether it's a daily recurring plan or weekly recurring plan or monthly or yearly. In certain instances, certain businesses might have a custom billing cycle. In that instance, you can choose a custom billing cycle and select the period. Let's say if it's a 4-week billing cycle for your business, then you can choose that option as well. If you want the billing to happen for a certain number of times or for over a period, it's something like a contract. Let's say you want to charge your customers for 12 cycles, then you can just mark it as 12 cycles. If you leave it blank, it will keep on charging your customer until you go in and manually cancel. And we have another option, send reminder prior billing. Let's say you want to send a reminder to your customer about the plan that they will be charged in so and so date from their card. That's the reminder for you. In certain jurisdictions, sending reminders are mandatory. If you need to send reminders, you can use this option to send reminders as well. And we have the last option, which is to notify via different channels. You have WhatsApp as your notification channel. If you choose this option, the customer that is purchasing this plan will receive all the reminders and all the invoices and updates regarding their subscription on WhatsApp. If you choose email, then they will get an email also about their subscription reminders. You can also choose SMS. For this demo purpose, I'm not going to choose that. If you're a business that offers credits for your subscription, let's say you're offering 5 sessions and you want to offer them as credits to your customers, so when they book an appointment or a class with your business, they keep on using their credits until it gets to 0. After that, they will have to start paying for their appointments or classes, or they could purchase another plan from your business. I'm just going to enable credits, and once you enable the credits, you will have a couple of other options. Let's say certain businesses would have their credits expire for the billing period. Let's say your credits have an expiry of 4 weeks, you can select that option as well. If your business doesn't allow expiry, you can just leave it as blank. That means they can use the credits until whenever they want. Here I'm going to select the demo class for the demo purpose, and as I said, it's going to be 5 sessions, and I can choose the number 5. And if you're planning to offer discounts for group packages or group plans, then obviously this is where you put in the discount. Let's say I offer 20% discount, then I can put that. So the plan price would become $200. If they purchase individual sessions, it will be $50 each. So from a customer's point of view, it's a good selling point as well. Once I'm happy with everything, I can click on save. The plan is now created and we are presented with checkout link. You can click on the visit checkout link, and this will have all the information that we just used. And if you have a website, you want to redirect your website visitors to subscribing to this plan, you can just take this checkout link and add this to your call to action on your website as well. So people that are visiting your website, when they click on it, they will directly come here and they can purchase the plan directly. And our chatbot by default offers plans option as well. So if they select the option, they will also be presented with this link where they could subscribe to a particular plan. A couple of other things regarding plans is that anytime you would like to update a plan, you can always click on the ellipsis and it will present a menu option called edit plan, and you can click on that to edit a plan as well. Important thing to remember, if you edit a plan, the plan gets updated, but people that have already subscribed to the plan, their subscriptions won't get updated as such. This is to keep in mind as well. And if you created something by mistake and there are no subscription associated to a plan, you can always delete the plan as well. The system will allow you to delete it. And if this plan is no longer active, if you want to disable it, you have the status option. You can also do it from this view as well. The plan gets deactivated. That's it on this video. Thank you for watching our tutorial series. Continue watching our tutorial series to understand other parts of Automate platform. If you'd like to sign up for an account with our platform, check out the link in the description and sign up for a free trial.